and Danny here. We're here in the Biolite lab, and welcome to the headlamp instructional video. In this guide, we're going to cover the following: overview, lighting modes, fit adjustment, recharging, cleaning, and then the setup for the optional light diffusing stuff sack. Let's dive in. The headlamp is comprised of the following components: an articulating front LED panel featuring a 100 lumen flood and 230 lumen spotlight, a single power button to access lighting modes and control brightness, the adjustable moisture wicking headband, and a micro USB rechargeable battery located on the back of the band. On the back of that rechargeable battery, you'll find your headlamp serial number. Use this to register your headlamp on the Biolite warranty page. So when you take your headlamp out for the first time, it's going to be programmed in lock mode to preserve the battery. It's going to flash, that's all you can do. We're going to get you out of that right now. Press and hold the power button for 8 seconds. The light will flash red 1 time, and you can now access all modes. The lighting modes rotate through the following sequence: red flood, white spot, white flood, spot and flood together, strobe, and off. To access your desired mode, click the power button in half-second increments until you reach your desired setting. Just a little bit of practice is all you need. Here it is in real time so you can get the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, off. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, off. If you wait too long in between clicks, your headlamp may turn off. No problem. Just click it back on and proceed to your desired mode. Your headlamp comes programmed with memory, meaning it'll turn on to its last remembered setting. The memory setting will last for 12 hours before returning to the default setting. When you're in white spot, flood, or the full 330 lumen setting, you can dim the headlamp by pressing and holding. When it flashes, it's as low as it can go. To brighten, press and hold again. It'll flash at its brightest setting. The unit also has a lock mode feature that you can use to prevent your headlamp from accidentally turning on in your pack or while in transit. To enter lock mode, press and hold the power button for 8 seconds while the headlamp is off. The headlamp will flash twice in red. This means you have successfully locked your unit. Now, if there are any accidental presses, say in your bag, it'll only flash red, no battery wasted. To exit lock mode, press and hold again for 8 seconds. It'll flash once in red, and your headlamp is now unlocked and ready to access all light settings. The headlamp can fit both adults and children alike thanks to its easy adjust band. For a comfortable and high performance fit, place the headlamp around your head, and then you're going to use the adjustment clips in unison. Those are right here. To tighten the band, pull the clips away from the back of your head. To loosen the band, push the clips toward the back of your head. It's important to use the clips in unison to maintain ideal balance. So try to avoid pulling on just one side. It works best with two. To adjust the direction of your light, you can move the LED panel up or down easily with one hand. Locate the lip behind the power button and guide it downward. The panel will click down through 4 different angles. To adjust back up, push gently on the front of your panel. The rechargeable headlamp has runtimes of up to 3.5 hours on max and 40 hours on low. The illuminated 4 LEDs located on the bottom of the battery let you know how much power is left. To recharge your unit, connect the micro USB to a power source. This could be a wall outlet, your computer, a power bank, or a solar panel. Pro tip, the headlamp does accept pass-through charging, so you can extend the runtime of your headlamp by pairing it with a power bank, which can come in handy for long runs, hikes, or even power outages. The moisture-wicking smart fabric keeps you cool and dry during activity and features 3 bonded layers that protect your electronics from any sweat. You can sponge clean the inside of your band using warm water and mild soap or detergent, but don't dunk it or run it under a pouring faucet. If you have the light diffusing stuff sack, you can easily turn your headlamp into a hanging light. To get started, turn the top of the stuff sack inside out to reveal the 2 inner loops. Fold the headlamp in half, and with the LED panel facing down, feed one side of the band through the inner loop located inside the stuff sack. Do the same thing with the other side. Push the loops toward the middle so that they hug the battery and stabilize the unit. Fold the stuff sack back up over the top. Turn the unit on. Give it a cinch, and it's ready to hang. Wildly capable and simply comfortable. That's the Biolite headlamp. From all of us here at Biolite, thanks for watching.